Hi friends! Do you have a toy that you love so much, even if it's a little old? Let's see what happens to Liam and his favorite toy car. Keep watching until the end to find out. What makes a toy truly special? Is it how shiny and new it is, or the love and memories it holds? Let's find out in this heartwarming story about little Liam and his favorite toy car. Keep watching until the end. There's a surprise waiting for Liam. Once upon a time, in a small and cozy village, there lived a boy named Liam. Liam had a favorite toy, a tiny red car. He carried it everywhere. He zoomed it across the table, let it race in the garden, and even kept it beside him while he slept. It was old, a little scratched, and one of its doors was broken, but to Liam, it was the most special thing in the world. One day, his friends teased him. "Why do you still play with that old car, Liam? You could get a shiny new one," they said. Even his mom thought it was time for a change. "Liam, wouldn't you like a brand new toy car? This one is falling apart," she suggested. But Liam just shook his head. "No, Mom. This car is my best friend." The next morning, while Liam was outside playing, his mom decided to surprise him. She carefully hid the old car and placed a beautiful, shiny blue toy car on his shelf instead. When Liam came back and saw the new car, he looked confused. "Where's my car?" he asked, searching everywhere. His mom smiled and said, "Look, Liam. Isn't this one better?" But Liam's eyes filled with tears. "I don't want a new car. I want my car. It's special because it's mine," he said, crying softly. Seeing her son so upset, Liam's mom realized her mistake. She quickly brought back the old car. Liam's face lit up like the sun. He hugged his toy and said, "Thank you, Mom. This is the best car in the world." From that day on, Liam's mom understood that what made the car special wasn't its color or condition, but the memories and love it held. Thanks for watching, friends. Did you love Liam's story? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing children's stories, bedtime stories, and kids' stories. See you next time.